Hello children, open ENVT textbook, lesson number 10, Kabaddi. We play different games right from our childhood itself. Sports and games are of various types, which include indoor games that can be played inside a house and outdoor games that are played outside or somewhere other than in a house games. In villages and small societies, children play games like catch, hopping, langdi, hide and seek, and gilli danda. In schools, games like seven tiles, satodiyo, kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, cricket, and basketball are taught and played. One can play games like snakes and ladders, chess and carom inside a house. What are these girls doing? They are shouting, out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. What do you call this game? Hututu or kabaddi or something else? When the girls surrounded Shamla and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs and somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shamla was not the one to give up. She dragged herself by increasing her strength and managed to touch the line in the center. When Shamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite side were holding her. So all of them got out. But Rosie argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between. So the team was not out. Shamla insisted that this was not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, why did the girls keep holding her hand? There was a big argument. Finally, Shamla won. How do you resolve the dispute during games? When we have an argument or a fight during a game, first of all, we give our opinion. If the opposite team argues, we also argue. If the argument gets aggressive, we ask our elders to help. And finally, the one who is correct gets justice. How many players are there in Kabaddi team? There are 12 members in a team Kabaddi and 7 players are seen on the ground at one time. How many players got out when Shamla touched the center line? When Shamla touched the center line, the players of the opposite team got out. So, this is what a game of Kabaddi is like. Snatching and pulling happens. Someone is caught. There is shouting also. This is a game of bravery and it has many rules. What does one do when one takes turn in Kabaddi? He or she keeps on saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi continuously. They have to hold their breath until they are coming back in their position. When you are taking your turn, be careful. You have to use your body and mind too. You have to pay attention all around. When you touch the line of other team, take care that nobody from their team will catch you. How much you have to be careful. When you go to play Kabaddi, Focus your attention on your legs, arms, and eyes. You will notice the good coordination of all these body parts helps you a lot. Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. Sarita Gaikwad. Sarita Gaikwad was born in Karadiamba village of Dang district on 1st June 1994. Sarita Lakshmanbhai Gaikwad is a Gujarati spinster. Her parents are busy with farming. She specializes in the 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. She won gold medals in women's 4 into 100 meters relay race at the 2018 Asian Games. Gujarat government has selected her as a brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Story of 3 sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. The picture is of the 3 sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All 3 of them played Kabaddi and taught the game to others. Jwala tells, when we were young girls, we were not allowed to play this game. People thought that if girls played such a rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes to play Kabaddi. This is why they stopped girls from playing. When they were young, their father died. Their mother and 2 mamas, maternal uncles, brought them up. Both uncles used to play Kabaddi and Kho-Kho. They encouraged the 3 girls to play Kabaddi. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play Kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game, but we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. We 3 learnt the game, and some other girls also joined us. We formed a Kabaddi club which is active even today. Sports and exercise are physical activities. Our body stays flexible and healthy due to them. To make the proverb, a healthy mind in a healthy body, true, we should give importance to sports and exercise in our lives. Apart from these, qualities like discipline, sportsman spirit, teamwork, and unity are cultivated. Various skills develop within us, and our body as well as our mind remains happy at all times. Thank you.